Here is the reading for August 15, 2026. The rolling 30-day window holds 990 screen signals. The window added 103 net signals. Material added 30, intelligence added 37, network added 13 and diversity added 23. About 33 screen signals a day made this window. The totals are material 246, intelligence for 74, network 128, and diversity 142. The current shape is widening material, widening intelligence, concentrating network, and concentrating diversity. The evidence trail is in the description below this video. On screen, I'll treat the receipt as a short ledger, for entries, one accountability test. Material, Nvidia nears $100 billion backstop for OpenAI data buildout. It is marked concentrating with 246 signals in the window. Ledger test, what concrete capacity moved, and who can verify the benefit? Intelligence, Anthropic flags new alignment risks in unreleased Model 2. It is marked strained with 474 signals in the window. Ledger test, what decision changed, and can affected people inspect the claim? Network, US-China AI split still manageable, Citi says. It is marked concentrating with 128 signals in the window. Ledger test, what route opened or closed for builders, workers, and customers? Diversity, AI is erasing entry-level work first. It is marked concentrating with 142 signals in the window. Ledger test, who newly received access, and who still carries the consequence? Read the stack from the ground up, then hold the pressure point in view. Anthropic flags new alignment risks in unreleased Model 2, marked strained. The window is still open, but the burden is shifting from building smarter systems to proving they can be held in place. That becomes progress only when people receive better service, workers gain useful leverage, and access widens beyond the owners. Conscience is down 2 from the prior edition, with a balance reading at 43 out of 100. Widening signals lead concentrating ones by 92. Diversity is concentrating and network is concentrating. A balanced score does not answer whether the movement is useful to people. Watch whether rules are visible, workers can challenge them, customers benefit, and practical agency moves beyond the owners. Today's discipline is to connect capability to consequence. Name who is better served, whose work becomes more capable, who can challenge the system, and whether the benefit travels beyond the owners. If the evidence ends at funding or a benchmark, the headline has outrun accountability and its human consequence. For the fuller evidence trail, today's The Cure protocol is referenced in the description below this video, where the details and limits are laid out in full.